Hello, let's make this flower bloom. So first of all, I'm going to make this shape which I want to repeat around this circle. You can have any kind of shape. I'm going to increase its stroke and I'm gonna use direct selection tool to carve it down. Like this. Let's make it a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to draw a circle, which is a very important part of this process, and you don't want to miss this out. And what it actually do is I'm going to tell you a little bit later. I'm going to make a group of them. Whatever your shape is, you need to make this circle. Now click on Effect, Distort and Transform, and Transform. And I'm going to click on this preview, and this is the number of copies which you want. And let's make any angle, and you can see it's a very beautiful shape, by the way. And you can change the anchor points like this. I'm going to select this one because I need it around a circle. Comes the angle part. As we know that the circle is of 360 degrees, so if I have 7 copies, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide 360 by 7 and it will adjust its angle automatically like this. So let's suppose if I have 11 copies, then I need to divide 360 by 11. And this is how we can get the shapes perfectly distributed around a point. Let's drag it here, and now comes again a very important part. What I want is I want these petals to go far from each other in the same ratio, or in simple words, I want to expand this circle. So how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna simply double click, and that is I will go inside the group and I will select this one. I will hold down the shift key and I will drag it up, and all other petals will follow the same pattern. And this was possible because of that little circle which we made earlier. So whatever your shape is, you need to draw a little circle at the bottom of your shape and make it a group before performing the transform function. What if I want some changes again? So I'm gonna simply click on them, Window, Appearance, click on this transform. And here we go. Now you can again change the copies and adjust the angle according to them. So I'm gonna click on 18 copies and 360 by 18. Here we go. Now if you want to get rid of these circles, then simply click on Arrange and Send to Back, and otherwise you can simply click on Object, Expand Appearance, and then again Expand and then Ungroup, and then you will be able to remove those little circles. But yes, one thing, if you have expanded the shapes, then you will not be able to change them. You know, you cannot increase or decrease the copies, you cannot change the angle once expanded. But in this way, I can add or remove the copies whenever I want. So now let's watch a beautiful and cute animation. Bye bye.